Your 49er Mobile ID is your access to buildings, services, and events at UNC Charlotte. Here are the steps to download and activate your mobile ID on an iPhone. New students and staff will need to submit a current photo that meets U.S. Department of State passport standards. You can see these standards and upload your photo in the 49er card section at aux.charlotte.edu. You can also add a photo in the Transact eAccounts app. Tap on the gear icon in the Transact eAccounts home screen and tap Submit ID Photo to complete this process. Search for the free Transact eAccounts app in your App Store and download it to your device. Open the app. Swipe through the prompts, tap Get Started, and search for University of North Carolina at Charlotte to add it as your site. Tap UNC Charlotte Login and use your NinerNet credentials to log in. The login process may take you out of the Transact eAccounts app. Once logged in, return to the app. Tap Add to Apple Wallet. Tap Next in the upper right side of the screen. You will need to accept all terms and conditions when prompted. The app will install your ID and notify you when it is finished. Tap Next in the upper right side of the screen. Tap Done to complete the process. You can now add your ID to an Apple Watch by following the same steps. Your 49er Mobile ID is now ready to use and viewable in your Apple Wallet. Some services will work instantly, but others may take up to 5 minutes to activate. You can use your 49er Mobile ID to access authorized buildings, pay for items and services with your 49er account, tap into dining halls with your meal plan, and more. For more information, visit aux.charlotte.edu.